into his beak, and as you can see, he'll feed on it straight away. Now, if you just very gentle for me, Esther, just as long as he doesn't get a hunt down, so again, in the morning and the evening, he's coming back on it. So you can see it is very, very complicated. I can't get my head around it. There you go. Just like so. That's it. If you just keep your arm nice and level, I can guarantee he'll stop before he gets there. I promise you. The most important thing is these birds were given a message in this, and to prey like buzzards would never have been used really, or they would have been very rarely used in a hunting scenario. And that's because, like I said, they don't have the favourable characteristics. They don't have these features that make them stand out amongst others. So as a falconer, you would go for something with, like some of the common buzzards, they're really just carrying each other. So if you had a common buzzard back in the medieval period, social hierarchy. Dropping his wings down here. That means to mantle, and the word to mantle means to protect. And you've all got a mantelpiece over your fire. Many years ago it was supposed to look like a falcon or an eagle, sculpted from wood, mantling over your fire, therefore protect yourself. He had about 380 degrees. A bit of chicken, sit between your thumb and your forefinger. You're more welcome to get behind the fire. And beat them up and try and get higher as you higher items as you have. The black top stop television. They're very small, so you can try to pick on all these big female harriers and beat them up. You never stop them, you always try. The bell is the hunting bird. Basically, platform, down, spot on again, there you go. So you'll find then that savannah is quite an unusual looking bird. To glance at a very briefly, you might not think it's a buzzard if you head straight and easy if you're just glancing at them. And that's because it's, like I say, designed for a completely different reason. These bigger eagles you find are designed for catching fish or mammals or both in some cases. Whereas this bird here, out in Africa, does get very hot, so they need to be able to cool themselves down quite a bit. So what you'll find is that the bachelor eagle will sort of antagonise them, drag them out of their hiding places, and basically sort of beat them up really. Now there is another method. She knows that as soon as I offer a piece of food on my glove, it's time to go away, you see, so she's a bit hesitant, she doesn't really want to talk. The temptation's there. You see how she's got her crest up now, she's trying to bite my fingers as well, look, she's trying to tell me off, look, for taking her in too early. So this is the eagle attitude we were telling you about before anyway. So right, what I'll do, I'll just go and pop Savannah around the corner inside a bay and keep themselves to themselves. Here we go, so this is the next bird then. Your little catch from last night, if the rain hasn't washed it away. You can see all these little streaks of ultraviolet light in the grass. Now little, they're constantly weird, all over the time, all over the place, all the time. So effectively, they can't go for things like pigeons, they tend to go for the likes of small gardeners, robins, wagtails, great tits, blue tits, anything you can think of really, these birds will pretty much fly after. So it's perfectly designed to fit between the vertebrae of a small bird, because when he's flying along, she's a bit of a tinker, she is. They've all got their own little characteristics, and that's Zara really. She is quite playful. And this grunting and shouting is nothing to worry about either. It's just a case of her telling you she's happy with what's going on. So we'll take that hood off, and basically, we'll raise her up a little bit. Hopefully what she'll do, she'll take off these birds. You can hear how much noise she's putting into each individual flap of the wing. She is working with it. Yep. Give you a bit of chicken. Make sure you clamp that down for me, because she will hit you with a bit of a force. Not that she's trying to, but she is a big bird, of course, so she has to stop herself using your arm sometimes.
Wow.
That's it, spot on. And then she'll give this bit of a grunt and a shout as well. She'll turn herself round and she'll go off on her own. She's there for adolescence, I guess. So she's gone through that shocky stage where all she wanted to do was beat up polka the duck, and she just wanted to make sure that she was the king, or queen, shall I say, of the arena. And now we've got to the stage where she's happy with the cycle. She knows exactly where she's going to get her food from, and she's not too